This is big, Nicole. In fact, you've got a lot of families of 9/11 victims saying that the new evidence that we're seeing in these court documents now is the most direct link between the Saudi Arabian government and the 9/11 hijackers, the closest thing, these families say, to a smoking gun, proving the case that the families have been trying to make for some 20 years now. And the evidence they're talking about are videos reportedly on camera. You've got a number of Saudi government officials who the FBI has acknowledged are Saudi officials paid by the Saudi government, interacting in some ways with multiple 9/11 hijackers on American soil just before the 9/11 attacks. So again, we have not seen these videos for ourselves because they have not been made public. They're still under seal and involved in this court process. But what we do have are detailed descriptions of what's on the videos from the court documents. And you can read here. It says the evidence includes highly incriminating videos that a welcome party of Bayoumi, this is one of the Saudi officials, hosted for the hijackers. It's never been exploited before by the FBI, but this is on camera. Another chilling video seized, just produced by British authorities, showing Bayoumi casing the U.S. Capitol for an attack. It is believed that the plane that went down in a field in Pennsylvania may have been heading for the Capitol. So that is disturbing. And if that's not enough, there's more. According to these court documents now, they say that they have documentary evidence of things that Bayoumi and other officials were writing down, basically a guideline for how to steer a plane into an object that is stationary and on the ground. All of it incredibly disturbing. And today we're hearing from family members, again, of 9/11 victims. This is what they're saying in reaction to the possibility that some of this evidence may become public.
The videos, like you said, we have not seen them yet. I've been told that it's bone chilling. We now know they were coming for the Capitol. They were coming to hit our United States Capitol, and they were coming to kill members of Congress and try to disrupt our country even more than they did on the actual day.
Now, a judge in New York this week could make a decision that makes the videos that we're describing public. That is what the families that have been engaged in this lawsuit for more than 2 decades now are pushing for. Their attorneys are trying to get a ruling that would allow for those videos to become public because they say that would be the most compelling evidence the American public has ever seen yet. And we know this is only possible because recently Congress passed a bill that became law that allowed these families to sue the Saudi Arabian government in the first place. We're told that as I'm talking to you now, senators are working on another bill to strengthen that law, get rid of some loopholes that the Saudi government and its attorneys are trying to argue for in court. Nicole.
All right, Joe Khalil live.